This school can help me get a job as soon as I leave. I can get certified to weld and go make money.
Students get the skills and use the equipment that they would use in industry and hopefully be able to transition into post-secondary welding training if they want to go and take their skills to another level there. Or a lot of our students go directly from our program right into industry and start working as a welder as soon as they graduate. C300 Lincoln welders are a 4-process machine. They're computerized. They'll do 400 and some different welding processes, but they'll do the main welding. They'll do stick welding, TIG welding, MIG welding, flux core welding, all with one machine. They're saying in the next 4 or 5 years there'll be 1,000 to 4,000 welding jobs open up because of all the people retiring. And it's a skill that can be used worldwide. Every industry uses welding in their manufacturing. Ships, airplanes, automotive. The stand for this pipe positioner was made by the students, and we're able to raise it up so they can stand underneath it and weld or put it in any position or height. We have this pipe beveling machine. It's a really nice piece of equipment where we can put a bevel on pipe. In between the programs, we all make things for each other and help each other out. Things for the auto program. We'll make things where the auto students can put a whole car on there, tear it completely apart, and be able to roll it in and out of the shop or whatever they want to do. We're able to have equipment here that you couldn't afford to put in every high school in the county. The nicest, most high-end industry standard equipment probably in the whole state and possibly the region.